Promotor SARS-CoV-2 RT-PCR test kit. Operation procedure. This experiment must be operated by a well-trained technician with Level 3 medical protective equipment. Open the nucleic acid extraction kit box. Take out the 96 deep well plate. Note that this side up label should be seen. Gently pat the plate surface to avoid wall sticking solution. Open the plastic bag. Then remove the sealing film. Draw a crossing line between row 4 to 5 and column 6 to 7 to help the operator identify the well position easily. Please note that the cut corner of the deep well plate should be in the bottom left. Turn on the vortex oscillator and mix the specimen negative control and positive control. Adjust the pipette to 200 microliter. Open the lid of sample tube. Then pipette 200 microliter of specimen to the extraction well in line 1, line 7 sequentially. Change a new pipette tip for each sample. Add 200 microliter of negative control and positive control in the last two wells. Turn on the Nucleic Acid Extraction System NES32. The instrument will run self-testing, then enter the main menu. Open the front door. Place the 96 deep well plate in correct direction, which the cut corner is still on the bottom left. Take the TIPCOM out of the package. Fully insert into the TIPCOM slot. Then close the door. Click the program run to enter the program selection interface. Press the program name DNA and RNA. Click enter to enter the program details interface. After confirming the information is correct, press run to start the program. If you place only one 96 deep well plate, there will be an alert on the screen to remind checking the plate position. Click OK to continue. Working status can be observed through the front door. Take out the reaction mix and enzyme mix from the PCR kit and thaw in room temperature. Turn on the vortex oscillator. Vortex the reaction mix and enzyme mix. Then briefly centrifuge. Please note to balance the centrifuge. Calculate the reagent volume according to the specimen number and adjust the pipette's volume. Add corresponding amount of reaction mix, enzyme mix to one same centrifuge tube. Fully vortex the master mixture, then centrifuge for 10 seconds. Adjust the pipette to 20 microliter. Aliquot the mixture to the PCR reaction tube one by one. Then place them in the transfer window to the area 2 for specimen template addition. When the extraction process is completed, open the front door, then take out the 96 deep well plate to biosafety cabinet. Grab the tip comb's handle and pull out. Put the tip comb into the plastic bag. Seal it, then put it into the biohazard trash can. Close the front door and click UV lamp to turn on the UV light for sterilization. It will show the UV sterilization remaining time on the screen. Click it again to turn off the UV light. Adjust the pipette to 100 microliter. Transfer the nucleic acid extraction product in line 6, line 12 to new centrifuge tube one by one. Take the PCR reaction tube in the transfer window to the biosafety cabinet. Adjust the pipette to 20 microliter. Add 20 microliter extracted RNA to the PCR reaction tube. Please pipette the extracted RNA product in the bottom of the tube. Close PCR reaction tube lid. Press one by one to ensure that lids are tightened. Centrifuge the PCR reaction tube in balance status. Observe the PCR reaction tube to make ensure that there is no wall-sticking solution or bubble. Place the PCR reaction tube in the transfer window to PCR amplification area. Turn on 960 real-time PCR system. It will automatically run self-testing and enter the main menu. Pull out the reaction chamber and place the PCR reaction tubes. Then push the reaction chamber to close. Please place the tubes symmetrically. Do not put them all at one side. Click Experiment. Edit the experiment name. Select the corresponding sample loaded position. Mark the program ACON SARS-CoV-2. Highlight the negative and positive control. Edit sample information if needed. Go to the Run monitor. After confirming the program information, click Start. Save the experiment file. The program will start. Do not pull out the reaction chamber when running. When the experiment is completed, go to Data Analysis. After setting the baseline and threshold, check the result of positive control and negative control. Amplification curves of positive control above the threshold should be sigmoid curve profile, and the CT value of FAM, VIC, ROX, CY5 channels should be no larger than 36. No amplification curve should be observed for negative control. The CY5 channel of specimens is also recommended to check. They should be sigmoid curve profile with CT value less than 40. If all these quality control requirements are met, interpreting the results according to the kit insert.